All right, so in this lecture, we are going to do one of my favorite parts, which is going to be to add our background. So to do this, what I'm going to do is I found this nice image online that is a nice free stock photo. I'm going to drag it in here into my image. Then I'm going to drag it to the bottom of my stack, right above the background. Perfect. Then we're going to go ahead and expand this so that it covers up the whole entire thing. You can do whatever you want for your background. I'm doing this nice jungle setting because that's where I want to feel like these guys are at. Then once I have that, I can go ahead and press enter. I'm going to come up here to filter, I'm going to select Gaussian blur, and you can see it's just going to blur everything out, make it feel like it's nice, and add a focus back there. And then I can come up here once I'm done with that and come to my hue and saturation and adjust this a little bit. I think I want it a little lighter, a little more saturated, and a little warmer. Or do we want to go darker? I think we want to go lighter. Maybe not too much, but right about there I think probably is going to be good. Okay, and then once again you can hit Command T and we can kind of move this so that the colors we want are behind certain areas or certain, certain lighting. So I want there to be a little bit of a lit spot behind this guy's head. Another cool thing we can do is we can just get a nice big airbrush. And we can come over here, make a new layer. We'll call this background adjustments. And using a big airbrush, we can, let's go to overlay. We can kind of alter how this background is working for us. So let's say I want this to be, this half down here to be a bit darker. Just come in here with this dark blue airbrush. Could brush that in. We can decide if we want a dark spot or a light spot behind that guy. I think we want it to be a light spot. So you can see I just come in here, brush in some of this light green back there. All right, there we go. And then I can always just lower the opacity if it's a little too intense. And I'm actually just going to merge that down, make it one layer. All right, and there we go. That is our background layer. So that is it for this lecture, and I will see you guys in the next one.